Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's pineapple on pizza. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, comparing two titans. On the left, we have the ComGrow Ender 3, and on the right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Buckle up because things are about to get layered. First up, let's talk about the price. The ComGrow Ender 3 comes in at $232. Not bad, right? But wait, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE undercuts it at $219. It's like the Creality just pulled a Price is Right move on ComGrow. Reviewers have noted that both printers offer great value for their price, but if you're pinching pennies like they're the last Pringles in the can, Creality's got you covered. Next, let's talk speed. The ComGrow Ender 3 is like your reliable old sedan, steady and dependable. But the Creality? It's the Ferrari of the 3D printing world, boasting a whopping 250 millimeters per second. That's faster than my internet connection on a good day. Reviewers appreciate the ComGrow's reliability, but are blown away by the Creality's speed. If you're in a rush to print that life-size replica of your cat, Creality's the way to go. Now, assembly. The ComGrow Ender 3 promises a quick assembly in about 2 hours. 2 hours? That's like watching Titanic without the iceberg part. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE claims you can start printing in just 20 minutes. That's faster than it takes me to decide what to watch on Netflix. Reviewers find the ComGrow's assembly straightforward, but appreciate the Creality's almost instant setup. If you're impatient like me, Creality wins this round. Extruder technology sounds fancy, right? The ComGrow Ender 3 has an upgraded extruder that reduces plugging risks. Nice, but the Creality comes with the Sprite Direct Extruder, which sounds like a soda but works like a charm. It handles various filaments like a pro, from PLA to TPU. Reviewers love the reliability of ComGrow's extruder, but are impressed by the versatility of Creality's. It's like the Swiss Army knife of extruders. Structural stability. No one wants a wobbly print, just like no one wants a wobbly table at a restaurant. The ComGrow Ender 3 has V-shape POM wheels that make it smooth and durable. But Creality steps it up with a dual Z-axis synced by a quality timing belt. It's like comparing a unicycle to a Harley-Davidson. Reviewers find ComGrow stable, but rave about the rock-solid stability of Creality. Creality's got the stability of a yoga master. Noise levels, because nobody wants their 3D printer to sound like a jet engine. The ComGrow Ender 3 is relatively quiet, but Creality's 32-bit silent mainboard is like the ninja of 3D printers. You might even forget it's there, unless, of course, you trip over it in the dark. Reviewers mention that both printers are reasonably quiet, but Creality takes the cake for near-silent operation. Extra features. ComGrow has a resume printing function for power outages. Great for when you forget to pay the electric bill. But Creality? It's got auto-filament loading and unloading, plus a spring steel build plate that's sticky yet flexible. Reviewers appreciate ComGrow's practical features, but are wowed by Creality's advanced functionalities. It's like the James Bond of 3D printers. Suave, capable, and always ready for action. Overall, reviewers find the ComGrow Ender 3 to be a reliable and beginner-friendly option, with straightforward assembly and good print quality. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE impresses users with its speed, ease of setup, and advanced features, making it a strong contender for both beginners and more experienced users. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a tight budget and don't mind a bit of assembly time, the ComGrow Ender 3 is a solid choice. But if you want speed, ease of use, and a feature-packed machine, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is your new best friend. Either way, you're getting a fantastic 3D printer. Just remember, don't try printing a pizza. Trust me on this one. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing, and may your layers be smooth and your prints be perfect.